Welcome to our podcast, where we dive deep into technology and its impact on our lives. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of GitHub, specifically how it empowers developers, fosters collaboration, and even supports open source projects. So, grab your headphones and let's get started. First off, let's talk about what GitHub really is. At its core, GitHub is a web-based platform that allows developers to store, track, and collaborate on code. It's like a social network for programmers. Imagine a bustling cafe where developers from all walks of life come together to share their ideas, solve problems, and create amazing things. That's GitHub. Now, one of the standout features of GitHub is its version control system. This essentially means that developers can track changes to their code over time. Have you ever used a word processor and wished you could revert to an earlier version of a document? Well, GitHub allows developers to do just that. This feature not only saves time, but also provides a safety net when experiments go awry. Also noteworthy is GitHub's code review system. It's like having a second pair of eyes on your work before it goes live. Developers can review each other's code, suggest improvements, and ensure everything is up to par. It's a great learning tool. Ever had someone look at your work and offer insights you hadn't considered? It's like having a mentor right there with you in the cafe, guiding you through the process. And let's not overlook the discussions feature. This is a space where developers can engage in conversation outside of strict coding environments. Whether it's brainstorming new ideas or discussing best practices, it encourages a sense of community. To put it another way, it's like a friendly roundtable where everyone has a voice and ideas flow freely. Now, speaking of community, GitHub is a significant player in the open source movement as well. Thanks to GitHub sponsors, developers can fund open source projects. Imagine being able to directly support a project that you love. It's a great way to encourage innovation and keep the ecosystem thriving. Who wouldn't want to invest in creativity? Moreover, GitHub hosts a multitude of learning pathways, events, and webinars, which help both new and experienced developers sharpen their skills. It's like having a library of knowledge at your fingertips. For anyone looking to grow in their coding journey, GitHub is a treasure trove. All right, let's get into some thought-provoking questions before we wrap up. How does the collaboration aspect of GitHub change the way developers approach coding? And what role do you think community plays in shaping software development today? As we close today's conversation, let's reflect on the key takeaways. GitHub isn't just a tool for code. It's a vibrant community where developers support each other, share knowledge, and innovate together. From version control to funding open source projects, the platform embodies collaboration in its truest form. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, whether you're a novice or a seasoned developer, GitHub has something to offer for everyone. Until next time, keep coding and collaborating.